So it's all about cross sections, huh?
Right, so you
Cross,
put them out easier.
Oh, and then you hammer.
Right, so you get them out easier.
That saves a lot of blade.
Alright.
Yeah.
Lot of time and lot of blade.
You let the hammer do the work.
Alright. So you take the time and cut and hammer out so you're carving the stone with ease.
Oh.
And very
That's
gentle.
cool. I didn't even realize that little technique there. So you must have the strongest forearms and hands in the world, man. Oh my God.
I get my hand break on a bike years ago.
Really?
Years ago.
Wow.
I get my hand break. I really want to get rid of this thing here. It's a callousy growth. And here to hurt me all the time.
Oh my God. So when you
But
sleep,
I get used to it.
Yeah, it's so.
When I sleep, but then I hook it up sometime, right?
And your hands don't.
Right. But when I wake up in the morning, it's ready to work again.
Wow.
You know, you understand? But you cannot let that stop you from create.
Let God keep you.
Yes.
Refreshes you.
It stopped me. It stopped me from going too fast. Yes. I eat sometime. I have to eat a little chicken to help me. So I want some grease to help me with dust and dirt in my system.
Oh really?
Yeah. So it is.
How did you know that? You just felt it?
I just felt it.
Yeah.
And by eating certain food.
It makes you feel
because
better.
Jamaican food, you know, is certainly different from outside. Our chicken here in Jamaica eat totally different.
So have you thought about upgrading your mask and like?
Yeah, we have masks.
But I don't think that towel can really.
This won't hurt you. This is
marble.
marble.
That's how you.
It don't,
oh really?
Yeah, this don't have any iron peroxide. I don't have any asbestos. Like
You'd probably be dead by now.
By now,
if it did.
yes. if this was alabaster, we die a long time.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know different rocks have different.
Right.
Ah.
And soapstone.
Yeah, you learn
having that
something new.
iron peroxide thing in it. You know that.
Oh, a
it
soapstone
will eat out alone.
Oh wow.
But this, you only need water to drink.
Okay, so how lucky is it that this guy's land?
Look, he's blessed.
Is that kind of stone that doesn't do anything.
I see stone this big, pure crystal. This big.
Really?
Pure crystal, no stone. Just crystal. Right through. And I'm hoping one day I might carve some of them. You know. But we only have until next year, June, to finish we have finished here and then they're open.
Oh, we're not open yet.
Okay. They're open because of the tourist demand. You know, and some of them come here, they say they want to relax. We just say, okay, we're gonna come.
When they open though, you're still working and people watch you work?
Not here. But I'll be still working for this company.
Oh, he's got to go somewhere else.
Somewhere.
So you're the only
Sculptor
he's got?
Yes. And the other artist who do the painting, he do a one piece and a tank up there.
On the water tank?
On the water tank.
Really?
Yeah, he do a
He's
piece
like a
on it.
Picasso.
Right. Some head on it.
Cool.
You know,
Where's that? Oh, it's on the property?
The tank right up there.
Okay,
See tank
great.
right through up there.
Great.
You know. So if you want me to walk around up there, I can walk around up there and show you.
You want to take a break?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.